Assalamualaikum all everyone. I am Huzaira. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on the topic fragmentation of molecule in mass spectrometry. In this lecture, I will tell you about fragmentation of molecule in mass spectrometry. So I will start the introduction. Mass spectrometry is an analytical technique used to determine molecular weight and structure of a compound. Fragmentation means high molecule break into small line. Understanding this concept, we can able to interpret mass spectra and identify unknown compound. Next slide, we will discuss about basic principle of fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs when a molecule break into small pieces because they get a lot of energy during ionization. In this way, we ionize the molecule, affect how it break apart the small piece and detect because mass to charge ratio, and it helps to study and identify original molecule in the mass spectrum. Next slide, we will discuss a type of fragmentation. Mass spectrometry. Mass spectrometry, there are different type of fragmentation. Can occur alpha cleavage means a bond next to the functional group like OH and H2 and carbonyl group breaking from the stable ion. Left rearrangement means hydrogen atom from gamma position shift while molecule break apart forming double bond and stable ion. Next slide, we will discuss about common fragmentation pathway. Alpha cleavage means breaking a bond next to the functional group which creates stable charge species. Left rearrangement move atom around creates special fragment. It helps to understand the structure. Sometimes small neutral molecule like water, carbon monoxide, ammonia losses from molecule during fragmentation. Next slide, interpreting fragmentation pattern. Fragment peak label based on their original form, the parent molecule, the molecule ion, M plus provide molecular weight of a compound. Fragmentation ion reduce structure indicating specific substructure or functional group. Some example are spectra. This is a spectra. First peak is M plus peak, means molecular ion peak which tell molecular mass of a compound. The longest peak is also known as base peak. 100% evidence peak which tell the more stable fragmentation will form. In Br molecule, two equal highest peak suggested Br is present. In Cl, one peak is small and another is 1/3 high. It means that Cl is present in alkane. First peak is molecular mass of a peak is 58, another is tallest peak is 48. Loss of methyl group, another is 29, loss of ethyl group. Next spectra, first peak is 120 molecular weight of a compound and tallest peak 105 means loss of CH3. Tertiary carbocation will form is more stable than primary carbocation. Analyzing complex spectra. Complex molecules produce numerous fragments in making interpreting challenges. Using non-fragmentation rule, laboratory databases simplify and identification. Fragmentation pathway can be hypothesized by analyzing the spectrum step by step. Application fragmentation pattern. Fragmentation analysis is essential in identifying drugs, metabolites, and environmental pollutions. Mm, in air, the structure illustration during organic synthesis and forensic investigation, understanding fragmentation improve accuracy, molecule identification in research. Conclusion in my all presentation. Fragmentation patterns in mass spectrometry is a way for structural determination, determine molecular exhibit characteristics fragmentation, behavior and errors identification, mastery spectrum interpreting, enhance the utility of mass spectrometry in various scientific fields. Some MCQs. First one is, what is the primary purpose of mass spectrometry? First, the separate mixture of compound. B. To determine molecular structure using light absorption. C. To measure mass to charge ratio of ion. To study color change of chemical reaction. Correct answer is to measure mass to charge ratio of ion. Second, MCQs. In mass spectrometry, what is the function of ionization source? First one, to detect ion, to extract ion, to convert molecule into ion, to filter out neutral molecule, to convert molecule into ion is correct answer. Third MCQ. Which of the following commonly used and reference standard in mass spectrometry calibrations? First one is ethanol, second benzene, third perfluorotributylamine, fourth sodium chloride. Correct answer is perfluorotributylamine. Thank you for listening my presentations.